Nolo Living Trust Creation Pricing explained what you get for your money. Most people think creating a living trust is expensive and complex, but the surprising truth is that Nolo offers a straightforward, affordable online solution. Nolo's Living Trust kits start at around, providing step-by-step instructions, customizable forms and guidance on funding your trust. You can designate beneficiaries, outline asset distribution, and appoint a trustee, all without hiring an attorney. Optional attorney review is available for an additional fee. For example, a couple can use Nolo to create a living trust that avoids probate, specifies guardianship for minor children, and directs how assets should be managed. The platform walks you through state-specific requirements, ensuring legal compliance and peace of mind. Most people get this wrong by assuming die trusts aren't valid. Nolo's kits are designed by estate planning attorneys and updated regularly, making them legally sound for all 50 states. This empowers users to manage their estate efficiently and cost-effectively. In conclusion, Nolo Living Trust Creation provides excellent value, affordable, accessible, and legally reliable. It's a practical solution for anyone looking to protect their assets and plan for the future.